Good evening, my students. In last class, we discussed about the graphical representation of polynomials. Now, we have to discuss about the relation between the zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Look at the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic polynomial. In this polynomial, what are the coefficients? Tell me. Coefficients are A, B, C. Let the zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the zeros and the coefficients are A, B and C. Now we have to observe the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta, because alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So these are the two factors of the polynomial. Now we are multiplying the two factors to get the polynomial. First multiply with x, x into x, x square, x into minus alpha x, minus beta into x, minus beta x, minus beta into minus alpha, plus alpha beta. We are simplifying the polynomial. X plus c is equal to x square minus alpha x minus beta x. In the two terms, x minus x is common. Minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Here compare the coefficients with the alpha betas. Ax square plus bx plus c. First we have to x square plus ax square by a, bx by a, c by a is equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha. Now look at the equation and compare the similar terms. A is cancelled. 1x square is equal to 1x square. Bx by a is equal to. Now compare the x terms. B by a. Here b by a. Here is minus alpha plus beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Next, compare the constants. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. These are the two relations between the coefficients and the zeros. Now we have to find the relation between coefficients and zeros in cubic polynomial. cubic polynomial. Let the general cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general cubic polynomial. So what are the coefficients? A, B, C, D are the coefficients. Let the zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. We have to find the relation between alpha, beta, gamma and ABCD by taking the factors of the cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Now multiply the first two factors and then with the third factor. X minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to x square minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta. We have to multiply this product by x minus gamma. Now multiply with x first. X cube is alpha x square minus beta x square plus alpha beta x, and then multiply with minus gamma x square minus alpha plus alpha gamma x plus beta gamma x minus alpha beta gamma. We have to simplify these terms. X cube minus alpha x square minus beta x square minus gamma x square. Minus x square is common. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is the quotient. And look at these terms, x terms, alpha beta x, alpha gamma x, beta gamma x. In these terms, x is common. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. And the constant term is minus alpha beta gamma. We have to compare these coefficients with the general form. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here this is x cube and this is x cube. We have to divide with the a. Then we get a cancel. X cube is equal to x cube. B by a x square is equal to minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma. So x square is equal to x. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. And then the third term cx by a is equal to x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Therefore, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. And then the constant term alpha beta gamma is equal to D by A. So alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A. These are the three relations between coefficients of the cubic polynomial and zeros of the cubic polynomial. If the coefficients are given, we can write a quadratic polynomial if zeros are given. Now look at, if zeros alpha and beta are the zeros, the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is the quadratic polynomial if alpha beta are given. If the zeros of polynomial are 3 and 2, find the quadratic polynomial. X square minus 3 plus 2x plus 3 into 2 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. If the zeros are given as 2 and 4, what are the 2 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. What is the quadratic polynomial here? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to x square minus 6x plus 8. A quadratic polynomial is given. Check the relations between quotients and zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9x plus 14. First we have to find the zeros of the polynomial, and then we have to check whether the relations are right or wrong. First we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Here the product is 14 and the sum is minus 9. So what are the zeros? You can expect x square minus 7 plus 2x plus 7 into 2. You can imagine 7 into 2, the product is 14 and the sum is 9. So what are the zeros of the polynomial? Yes, the zeros are alpha is equal to 7 and beta is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to 7 and beta is equal to 2. Now check whether the relation is right or wrong. 7 plus 2 alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to minus of minus 9 by 1. Alpha into beta is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14 by 1. These relations are right or wrong? What can we say about the relations between the coefficients and zeros? Now we have to write the quadratic polynomial if zeros are given. And another problem is checking the zeros of the cubic polynomial and find the relations between the zeros and the coefficients. Look at the example 7. You have to check the relations between alpha, beta, gamma and the coefficients. Now you can complete the exercise 3.3. You have to complete the exercise 3.3. The assignment is thank you.